Hey everyone, so today I'm making a soap I'm calling Turn the Page after the Bob Seger song, and it's scented in tobacco and bay leaf, which does not actually smell like tobacco or bay leaf in my opinion. It actually smells more citrusy, kind of woodsy, but mainly citrusy. It smells delicious. It's more of a unisex fragrance, and it's probably my new favorite fragrance. So I've melted down my hard oils and butters using the heat transfer method like I usually do. And right here I'm just adding my liquid oils to those melted oils. Then I will mix everything to emulsion with my stick blender. And then I'll split everything off, add my fragrance oil, and start doing my swirl. This time I added a little kale and clay to my fragrance oil, which helps the fragrance stick a little bit longer in your soap, but it also adds a really nice texture to your soap, as well as some purported skin benefits. Also, my black colorant is made of activated charcoal and black iron oxide, but the activated charcoal supposedly has some skin benefits as well. So this should be a really nice soap. So my orange colorant here is a mixture of two different micas. One is Sunset Orange from Brambleberry, and the other is Tequila Sunrise from Mad Micas. And like I said, the black is a mixture of activated charcoal and black iron oxide. And the rest of the batter, I just added just a little bit of titanium dioxide. The problem is the fragrance oil actually wound up discoloring my soap batter. So when I wound up cutting the soap today, I noticed that around the edges there's a pinkish hue around the edges that will actually spread across the bars of soap as it continues to cure. And that's not a bad thing. It doesn't hurt the soap at all. It just affects the look of the soap and kind of ruins the look I was going for. So I'm a little disappointed in that, but at least it's not an ugly color. At least it's not really dark. I'm just disappointed that it discolored when I wasn't expecting it to discolor. The reviews for the fragrance did not say it discolored, so I wasn't expecting it. I'm doing what's called a hanger swirl with this soap, which is where you see me pouring from a little high up to get the soap to go a little farther down. And then you'll see me use a hanger tool to kind of swirl the soap batter. And there's a few different ways you can do a hanger swirl depending on what look you want to get, what kind of look you want the final bar to have. This time I just went with the simplistic traditional hanger swirl, and I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. It's really pretty. Okay, so I sprayed the top with just a little bit of 99% rubbing alcohol, put the lid on it, and now I'm going to put it to bed in the freezer. And then here I am cutting the bars and seeing for the first time the discoloration, which I'm a little upset about, but like I said, it's not bad. It's not a bad look. It just kind of was not what I was going for. I wanted more of a white, creamy look, but as you can see, they're a bit pinkish tan colored on the outside. Still pretty though. I'm very happy with the way that they turned out overall. So don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below on what you guys think of this swirl and the discoloration. I'd love to hear what you think about it. If you've ever experienced this with this particular fragrance oil from any supplier, I'd love to hear if you have found one that does not discolor and where you got it from. So see you next time.